Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Rourke. Today we are making a farmhouse burger. Yes, it's going to be a breakfast sandwich, a breakfast burger. This is going to be 1 egg, some ground beef. I'm going with 80% lean, 20% fat, and I'm going to make a sauce for it. I'm going to make a breakfast sauce. It's going to be a little bit of barbecue sauce, some mayo, some mustard. I'm going to make it a little bit spicy, so I'm going to put some Cajun powder in there, and some dill weed, and salt and pepper. And then we're going to put a little bit of pico de gallo on the sandwich, so that'll be interesting. So that should be good. And I finally got a spatula. So, let's make this, shall we? Alright, gonna melt some butter. Turn it up to medium high. We'll make that sauce after the burger is done, so that way it's one less thing, and it gives the burger a chance to rest. So that's good. So that's what we want. You want a well-rested burger. Ready? That burger's cooking. I'm gonna give it a minute or two on each side. I'll start with a minute, and we'll flip it every so often. And you might hear the smoke detector go off because I kind of have a habit of doing that. So you know, just a heads up, you might hear the smoke detector. And as you notice, I'm not seasoning it. That's because the seasoning is going into the sauce, so I don't need to make it too seasoned. You can season your burger if you like. Alright, almost time to give it a look at. And you just kind of take a little spoon, and you just spoon those juices right back on top of the burger. Keeps it nice and juicy. And it's coming along nicely. And I'm going to use brioche buns for this. Coming along nicely, I think. Hopefully it's done in the middle, because that's another habit I have sometimes, is that it won't be done all the way, but that's okay. I like my burgers a little bit rare, so that's cool with me. Well, the egg didn't go on the sandwich like I planned, but that's okay. Alright, that burger should be done. Throwing a piece of cheese on there to let that melt. And yeah. And the thing with an egg is it's a little bit too interesting. It's a bit of an interesting thing to get it, to try to flip it with a spatula. So I'm just going to use a bar spoon. That seems to be easier. So I'm letting that egg cook, and then once it's good, I'm going to give it a flip with that bar spoon. Alright, we got that egg nicely flipped. Once it's done, we'll be able to put it on the sandwich. Looking real nice. There's our burger. Resting nicely under some cheese. Alright, there we go. We're going to place that right on top of the burger. Alrighty. Turn off the gas. I really hate that glare. Okay, there we go. there's our burger. And while that's resting, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. A little bit of mayo. A little bit of barbecue. You can also use steak sauce if you like. It'll be a good thick sauce. Some mustard, good old Coleman's, if I can get it. Using the last bit of it, I guess. That should be good enough. A little bit of dill. And you gotta use dry dill. It's a big dill otherwise. That's good. Bit of salt and pepper. And a bit of Cajun. Just for the occasion. Okay, that should be good. Now we just give that a mix. And there's our sauce. Ready. Taking a taste of it off the bar spoon, you get the barbecue, nicely seasoned. Yeah. And now, let's make some fries to go with this burger, shall we? Take some air fryer liner. And some fries. I'm just going to take a little handful. Yeah, maybe one more handful. Little handful, that's good. And we're just going to stick it in there for about 15 minutes and that should be good. I'll come back to that. Gonna toast the buns a little bit. Got our buns good and toasted. Stick that sauce on there. Alright, put that burger right on top. Perfect. And we're just waiting for those fries. Alright, next we're going to take some pico de gallo. I rinsed off the bar spoon. That should be good. And we'll go ahead and crown the burger. Here's our burger. Alrighty, we're back. And our fries are done. Ding. So, take them out. We'll let them cool off for a minute. Here's the inside of our burger. Nice and runny egg. A Farmhouse Burger. You can also stick bacon on it too if you want to. That would be a good choice. Next, we're going to slide our fries right on. Alright, let's give it a try. I'm going to edit out me eating because I don't think you would like that. It's pretty good. You get that nice egginess, nice meat flavor. And these fries, of course, are done in the air fryer, so let's give these a try. Fries are nice and crispy. And you got dip on the side. Very nice. Alright, the Farmhouse Burger. Check it out. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke for Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time, and that's all.